Inflation has been sticky, we all know, for restaurants and consumers over the last year. Take a look at beef, over $5 a pound as of December, due in part to supply constraints. But chicken has been mostly deflationary and comes in at $1 less per pound, making it ideal for companies to lean into if this continues in 2024. Data from Technomic across the top 60 QSR chains also shows consumers are flocking to the bird, had to do it, when it comes to orders, as they are the value play in this environment. The number of consumers who ordered chicken sandwiches increased year on year from 14.6% to 15.7%. The number of burger orders in that same time frame last year flat at just over 7%. Burger prices are up 10% in 2023 versus chicken sandwich prices climbing just 5%. TD's Andrew Charles points to three major trends in chicken's favor across the industry. Number one, skews younger in terms of the consumer with millennials and Gen Z. It's higher margin due to those inflation trends with beef. And there's undeniable success from two privately held players, Chick-fil-A and Raising Cane's. The stocks you mentioned also tell the story here. Wingstop, known for its wings, of course, but also for chicken sandwiches, soared about 90% in 2023. Chipotle, which has found success with its pollo asado and chicken al pastor in recent years, also climbed over 60% last year. The fast food players did have more modest performances. McDonald's up over 12%, Yum up around 2%. So some interesting charts, as you can see right there, Tyler.
So, Kate, the question is, McDonald's has offered chicken in one form or another for a long time. How is it doing in the chicken world?
It's so interesting, Tyler. McDonald's said at its investor day back in December it was going to be leaning even more into core items of beef and chicken. Chicken in particular had been really successful. And when I was talking to Andrew Charles for this story, he mentioned that TD Cowen's checks of their restaurants basically suggested that the McCrispy launch that they had back in 2021, that was the most successful launch that the company had had, per TD's analysis, since the introduction of Chicken McNuggets in the 1980s. So consumers really enjoyed it. Obviously, that's been a nice trend that they've continued to see, and they're going to lean even further into it in the year to come. And the price is right, right?